Hi, this is Claudia McGilkey with Keller Williams, and I'd like to welcome you to 6490 Jesse Allen Road. This home sits on a 5-acre estate right off of Jesse Allen. It has a barn. It's got a couple covered sheds. It's got an RV garage as well as another storage garage. It's got a circular drive, and it has a metal roof, and is approximately 3,400 square feet. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. It's got a 2-car garage, new windows, new AC unit, new water heater. Let me go ahead and show you around here real quick. And there's an additional land available on the other side. The other owner is possibly interested in selling. So let's go ahead and go inside. When you walk in, it's got a sunroom right here that is enclosed, heated and cooled. I'm going to take you in through this way. There's a whole lot of stuff here, and I hate to say it because this is going to be an estate sale, so I apologize for it being messy, but this is going to give you an idea of what the house looks like. It's got a nice big kitchen, all new cabinets, uppers and lowers, new appliances, double oven, brand new refrigerator, brand new dishwasher. When you come through, you're going to come to the back end of the house where the garage was. It's going to have a massively huge laundry room with cabinets and everything. Big space. It's got a full bathroom off to this side, as well as another bedroom which they're using as an office right now. So a lot of memorabilia in this home. Alright, I'm going to take you back over. Lots of closet space everywhere. So this here is going to be your family room den. It's approximately about 50 feet, I believe. It's quite large. You've got a separate kitchen area over here to eat. All the windows have been replaced. Some of the lighting has been replaced. Electrical is done. So this is where you walk in, actually into the house. You have this really large grand entranceway, if you can see it, with detailed flooring. And then this is going to be actually your living room, which they have as a dining room currently. And lots of furniture. All of this is going to be part of an estate sale eventually. So bring your dollars. Message me at cmcgilkey@yahoo.com if you're interested, because that's going to be happening soon. Then this, which would have been the dining room, they're using as a card table room, as a player room kind of deal. Like I said, you can see the furniture, all of it's from either Spain, brought from overseas. The gentleman was Air Force pilot in Vietnam, so he has a lot of things here from all of his travels and everything. So let's go back here. And like I said, then you come into your large den, which has the wood-burning fireplace. Very open concept. There's your kitchen, your eating area, and like I said, back towards that back area is your laundry room, 2-car garage, and then there's another 12 by 16 storage unit back there that you can go ahead and put your Christmas items. Lots of closet space here. You're going to come back here and you're going to see another large bedroom. The bedrooms are quite large. They all have queen-size bed in them, fully furnished. Lots of pretty wallpaper around here. Large bathroom, double. Let's see, this has just got a single vanity, but it's got the nice little ladies' dressing area, and then you got a huge closet. It's got the laundry chute basket right there, which is excellent. Shower, bath in the back. Then you have another large bedroom over here. Quite a nice big size. And this then has got double closets. Lots of storage. Lots of space. This room, like I said, these bedrooms are quite a nice size. Square footage, 3,300 square feet. Then we're going to come right around here. The hallway is about 6 feet wide, almost 8 feet wide. You can move furniture all around here. Then you've got another large bedroom here with 2 huge closets. And large rooms. And then this has the ensuite, which has the vanity in here, ladies' dressing area and everything else. Then another sink in there, shower, tub, the whole 9 yards. And then, of course, another area here that has your laundry chute, plenty of storage, and an extra another little closet or whatever you need here. Like I said, this house has got plenty of square footage. This is going through a short sale process. Please call Claudia at 850-485-0353. Email me, cmagilke@yahoo.com. That's CMAGILKE@yahoo. Hope to hear from you. Make an offer. Taking backup offers. This house is awesome. Thank you.